afternoon! Welcome to MyrnalynB Vlog channel. For today's video, I'm going to share with you guys the simple makeup look na ginagawa ko usually when I go to the mall or met up with friends. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe right down here and click the notification bell para updated ka sa future post ko. So let's get started. I just clean my face with this. Before putting on foundation, we need to have a primer first. So in my case, I don't have any primer for now. I will just use this one. Spread it on our face. So we just done with our primer, and now let's proceed with our foundation. For our foundation, I will be using this one, Maybelline in the shade of 228. I think that this will fit my skin. And then I will be using this brush. I bought this foundation for 229 pesos, and the regular price of that was 349. Okay, we just done putting on the foundation. I like using this brush. It blends well. I also have a blender here. So let's just dab. We have done with our foundation, and then let's start with also the Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade of 310. I also bought this in sale. Dab. You can use this one if gusto nyo na mag-long last yung foundation nyo sa face nyo, yung makeup nyo. But you can also use the brush. This sponge comes with this. I really like this one. The Maybelline products, both foundation and this. The powder foundation is really amazing to my skin. I put and it really covers my blemishes. May mga pimple marks ako like this. So after this will be our eyebrows. I will be using this. A Nichido things of the eyebrows in the shade of hazelnut. For my eyebrows, I usually start at the edge. The mirror on there at the edge. Also here. And we will brush it. So we are done with our kilay. Tip lang sa kilay is when you brush your kilay, don't put too much pressure in it kasi hindi maganda yung resulta niya. We will proceed with our highlighter. I will be using this one, the Nichido, para lang makover itong mga ano natin dito, eye bags. When I apply it, I also use this brush, the brush that I use with the foundation. Guys, nag-complement yung highlighter natin sa ating foundation. I'm sorry for the background noise. Oh my god. Okay, for our contour, I also use this one, the Nichido stick. Okay. So, I need contour in my life. I have a chubby face. And we'll proceed to our blush on. Blush on, emphasize yung pimples. It's okay though. So since it will just be a usual day in the simple look, I will be using this. It's from Maybelline Play Palette Eyeshadow with the 16 colors. So I will be using this one first, the lighter color. Okay. Oh my god, this eyeshadow is really pigmented. Color here, and also here. Here, and also here. Diba parang talagang nag-open yung eyes mo. And for our eyeliner, I will be using, I think, this color. Okay? This one. Also here. Lens more, guys. Remember that? Okay. So I think that's it. Simplicity is a beauty. Yeah. Parang cool ka lang. Again. So we can now go out, go out with friends, and go to the mall. So I think we are done, guys. Thank you so much for watching my video. Okay, mag-shoutout muna ako. Okay, shoutout to James Latip, isa sa mga Filipino vlogger na naka-base sa Saudi Arabia, and who helped me sa aking channel din, and also to Kuya Rolando Cristiano. Thank you so much for helping me grow my channel, at saka sa mga tips na binigay mo. And also, sa aking mga Facebook friends na sumusuporta sa akin, thank you so much. And to Kuya Jando Villarejo, and also to Michael Jaan. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for being a fan. Sige. That would be all, guys. So, thank you for watching my video. Kung gusto nyo na ma-shoutout ang name nyo on my next vlog, just comment down your name below and I will do shoutout on my next vlog. Asahan nyo yan. That would be all. Thank you so much and see you in my next vlog. Bye!